Of 1996, the biggest ever. Trying to give you some perspective, I'm opening the door here to see out on these incredible sights. A nor'easter is blowing snow all over the place. The wind is still howling. It's frigid. Look at those look at that. That is not even plowed snow. That's just regular snow. Look at the front steps. Neighborhood is peaceful. No one is out doing anything. There's nowhere to go. We have a state of emergency today. Works. Everything is closed. It's absolutely incredible. Snowshoeing is the only way to get around right now. Look in the backyard. Absolutely incredible. Look at that snow. Our cars were out in the snow for a while yesterday. We moved them in.